In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all emails at Gmail at once on your iPhone device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And once you are on Gmail app, you can hold on some email to select them. Also, you can select some more emails and then hit on trash icon to remove them. But there is no select all option on Gmail app, so to select all the emails you need to use your Safari browser. So open up Safari and after that go to google.com and here hit on this A letters icon and select request desktop website. You need desktop version of the site, and now let's zoom in that web page and here hit on Gmail. And once Gmail is loaded, you can zoom this page again, and there you can select all the conversations, but here you see that you selected just 50 conversation. It's a number of conversation on just that page, but you can there hit on select all that conversation in primary. So I hit that one link, and now I can hit on trash icon and confirm that action to bulk delete all these emails on my Gmail account. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.